The future of direct-to-film starts here. Join us for the first ever DTF Expo in Phoenix, Arizona, where cutting-edge innovation meets breathtaking scenery. Experience the forefront of direct-to-film technology, showcased by industry-leading legends like Mamaki, Roland, Rock US, Supercolor, M&R, and DTF Superstore. Engage with DTF experts in unique learning sessions from Joss with Kingpin DTF, Sergio Ramirez, Marshall Atkinson, Stephen Farrig, Nicole Pape, Jeremy Pales, and more. Whether you're a seasoned professional or budding enthusiast, the DTF Expo is your destination for the latest strategies, techniques, and advancements in DTF technology. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking inaugural event. Register now at dtfexpo.com.